part 2 of unboxing the RC skid steer. In this part, we'll have me driving the vehicle itself. And obviously, you need to have a screwdriver for this. I'm just going ahead and putting the battery in. It's a very cramped space for the battery. There we go. And the antenna comes on the top of the box, but I'm not going to be putting that on right now because it is not that important, because I'm not dragging it so far away. Okay, this is now screwed in. Let me unscrew the actual vehicles. Here's the place where you have to take it out. It's got this nice slide architecture built in. Okay, here's how it looks now. Give me a moment to take the battery out. Here we go. The battery's fitting really tight. And obviously always no transmitter on or radio control on first. Then you plug in the battery. In this case, in this case, I'll be shutting the machine itself. I won't be putting the screwdriver on because that just takes extra time up. And I'll put the antenna on later for right now. So this is this button right here. It's a little bit slow. Okay. And this is a toy grain RC, so I'm not expecting it to do that much. It's got a very scale inning in there. I don't know if you can see it through the camera, but it's got a very scale inside. I think there's a push button. I think you can put a little figure in here. Yeah, the arm is stronger than the bucket. It's got those front lights on. It's got the back lights. When you reverse, all the lights turn on. And when you turn, you can turn this way or this way. And when you turn, the lights, the way you're turning, the lights turn on. So if I'm going here, the light turns on this way. If I'm turning left, one of the other lights go on. Thank you for watching.